Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in Germany. So, let's begin. First, on the address bar, we are going to type paypal.com/de to go to the PayPal Germany homepage. And then, on the top right of your screen, we're going to click on this button right here. We are given two options to start our PayPal account, either a private account or a business account. Choose whatever it is that you need and then click on Start Now. On the next page, type the email address that you wish to use to start your PayPal account and click Next. And that's it. So, if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you next video. Peace.